Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Wazir Muhammad, Professor of Medicine in Khyber Medical College and a visiting physician in Khyber Teaching Hospital. It's a matter of great pride for us that an international research conference is going on in this prestigious institution of Khyber Medical College. You know the value of research in the Department of Medicine and in all the allied specialties. Research is a basic component. I would emphasize that please take this opportunity, especially those working in the other teaching hospitals, the medical personnel, the medical officers, the TMOs, the care providers, to take this opportunity and avail this research conference with their presence so that in future their practice would change because new research methodologies, new research methods and treatments would be discussed. I really appreciate the Department of Research of Khyber Medical College in arranging this international conference. I would emphasize, please hurry up, do the registration and come up with the new ideas and listen to the research conference. We welcome you all to this august institution for this conference. Thank you very much.